Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can teleport between islands using the home island feature in Fish It Roblox. So if you are tired of long boat rides across the ocean, this home reset trick is a game changer. And I'm gonna show you how you can first set your home base. You can just click on gear icon and go to the home islands, click on open. So let's say I'm going to choose the secret temple as my home islands, but you need to make sure that it's already 100% like this. So click on it, and then here you can just click on the Roblox menu, click on respawn reset, and after that you'll be teleported to the location that you choose as your home base. And so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.